Mentally, she's tired. But she keeps going because she has people depending on her, because she doesn't have the luxury of breaking down, because she's been through worse and made it out before. She's the kind of woman who will cry in the shower, wipe her face, and walk out like nothing happened. She fights battles no one sees, carries burdens no one knows about, and still manages to show up for the people she loves. She's exhausted, but she refuses to quit. She's been let down, but she still gives. She's been hurt, but she still loves. Some days, she runs on pure willpower, but even on those days, she still finds a way to smile, to push forward, to keep believing that better days are ahead. Because deep down, she knows she was made for more than just surviving. She was made to rise. If this hits home, comment, "She is me," or share this with the person on your mind, and don't forget to follow, because this page is for you.